And welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about Bitcoin, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So what we have here is, as you can see here, we had rejection of the 50-day rising moving average, and we can see that market is building higher highs and higher lows at this point. On the hourly time frame, we have the rising low. We have rising lows at this point, and if market can retake 154.65, there will be a chance for higher prices and potential retest of 156.20 mark. Now, speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we can see that yesterday we had quite a rejection of the 50-day moving average from the, let's say, 65,880 mark, and now we have like a tight consolidation with a support at 62,500 and resistance at 65,475. In case of the downside breakout of this support and consolidation, there will be a chance for a bigger drop towards the, let's say, 59,000 or even 57,000 mark. So pay attention to that. Even though we have this pin bar tail on the weekly time frame, the daily time frame is just doing the consolidation below the 50 declining moving average. On the dollar index, we had rejection of the 50-day moving average, something similar that we just saw on the USD yen. So there is a chance for the upside movement this week, and from my perspective, we can see a rally towards 105.90 or even a full retest of 106.30, 106.50 mark. On hourly time frame, market is holding and building higher lows, as you can see. So this is a pretty constructive for the further upside continuation. If we speak about the gold market, we have another consolidation. So we have a 4 to 5 days consolidation with a key support at 22.76 and resistance at 23.37. In case of the downside breakout to 22.76, there will be a chance for a bigger drop towards let's say 2,200 mark or even 21.71 mark. In case of the upside breakout to 23.53, there will be a chance for the rally towards 23.92. So consolidation is in play, and watch potential breakout on the gold market. Now crude oil is going lower, but we can see that there was a rejection of the 78.20 mark and 78 mark, like a support on the weekly time frame. The last week we closed near the low, so there will be a chance for a further downside movement from my perspective towards 76.85 mark or even 76 mark on this market. Now watching NASDAQ 100, so we had an inside week and we are building higher lows in the weekly time frame. The daily, this is already 4 days in a row. We are trading from the low to high, but here we have underlying massive resistance on this market. So around 18,000. I'll say 18,300 mark, 18,400 mark. This is a critical resistance cluster for this market, and if we can see some bigger drop on the hourly and no follow through to the upside, there will be a chance for a bigger drop in the downside movement. Now, if we place the Fibonacci work and make this like potential ABC, we can see that market is trading just around that Fibonacci expansion 100%, which is at 18,145 mark. So that will be all for this update. I hope that you found this useful, and have a good trading day.